We need a system in place, especially the police have to implement it, so that all senior citizens today are protected. We have prepared a memorandum which I just submitted to the Director General of Police. There are points there. Main thing is to create a senior citizen cell, so that any senior citizen anybody can just call, and there are specific people to address this thing. 100 and 108 should get diverted to a call recorder, because today if you call 100, it says it's always busy. So certain points are there. We want an immediate white paper to analyze the security situation of old age homes as well as of senior citizens who live alone. These are the prominent demands. The rest all are derivatives of it.
Okay.
This is not about any politics, although we are raising it on this platform, but it's an urgent matter. It is happening too often, and we hope that if you question the DGP, he will act soon. White paper on the security situation, whether police can, what is the situation today of security of these old age homes, as well as police have to analyze today, because it was an inside job.